part here. Let's look at this. Okay, if you're not too sure about how to do this, just to try, hear me out further. You can try the yi one. It's the same. It's actually the same concept there. So you just find the derivative of tangent x squared. This would be 2x secant square x squared. Okay. Now what Liate? Okay, Liate. Let's do by parts very quickly. Liate means by parts. By parts means when you choose your u, you differentiate it. When you choose a dv dx, you integrate it. Understand? It has always been the case. So you choose the u, you differentiate it. Choose the dv dx, you integrate it. So this case here, cube x squared. See the hands, right? This one have to be by part one. Cannot be reverse integration or reverse differentiation. So this one here will just be x squared, x secant square x squared dx. Okay. Then you know that this has to be dv dx. This has to be u. When we choose u for x squared, it's because when we differentiate x squared, it will disappear. We differentiate x squared twice, it will disappear, right? So for example, u is x squared, u prime will be 2x, u prime will be x. We like it when our u is algebra because when we let u be algebra, we differentiate it a few times, it will just disappear. And disappearance is our best, like best case scenario. You don't need to worry about it after that. So we usually want our, one of the rationale is we want to make the algebra disappear. So from here, it's okay, like u is x squared. So u du dx is 2x. Then after which you have got dv dx, which is x secant square x squared, which is v is equals to tangent x squared, I believe, half. Okay. So there you go. This is x squared over 2 tangent x squared minus x tangent x squared dx. Then what to do next? Now, when it comes to trigo integration, there are only eight expressions in your syllabus which you need to know that you can integrate. Not all trigo expression can be integrated. So there are the 8 expressions. You must know these 8. Okay. What are the 8? If you can recall, secondary school, we know we can integrate sine x. We can integrate cosine x. We can integrate secant square x. These are all secondary school stuff. And cosecant x for some of the IP schools. Okay. Then what are the rest of the other 4? Is MF26. You can integrate tangent x, cot x. All these you need to know. Cot x and secant x. Cot x, cosecant x. Cot x, cosecant x is in the MF26. Hold on, let me read. Cosecant x. Actually, you don't really need to know. These are the 8. And when you do trigo integration, that's why any means necessary change to any of these 8, then you can integrate. So for example, what I'm saying is any trigo will fall out of these 8, right? You cannot. So for example, sine square x, can you integrate it? You can't. All right. Or let's say secant cube x, can you integrate it? You can't. Okay. So you need to know that secant cube x, you need to change lah. By any way you change it to that form. So for this case here, it's actually integratable because this is cancelling method. This is f prime fx. So this is like that. Okay. This is the school method, but if you want, you could just let it be k equals to x squared. Okay, this is what I taught you all. The u substitute method. Cancel. So this is tangent k. MF26 ln secant k. Okay, but if you're using the school method, then it will just be k is x squared. Okay, so the school method will just be here lah. This is the school method. Then you just whatever fits you. This time I'm not gonna say what is whatever fits you now at this juncture. Is no longer whatever. Just whatever, man. Get the marks.